Have you ever gotten to the point where you have figured out how to connect two computers using a wired connection? What if networking devices such as hubs, routers, and switches are not available? Does the straight-through cable have the capability to connect two computers? Perhaps this video would be a tool to answer your questions. Welcome back everyone, Jeffrey Antonico Diaz here, and this is the significance of old school technology. In this activity, you will learn how to build a Category 5E unshielded twisted pair Ethernet crossover network cable and test it for good connections and correct pinouts. But before we move on, let's talk about the differences between two of the most popular network cables. Straight-through cable is a type of cable that is specifically designed for connecting dissimilar devices. On the other hand, a crossover cable is a type of cable that is mostly used for connecting similar devices. Straight-through cable has the same pinouts, while crossover cable's one end is T568A configuration and the other end is T568B configuration. Straight-through cable uses either T568A or T568B configuration, but crossover cable follows both T568A and T568B configurations. Straight-through cable is one of the most commonly used cable formats for network cables, whereas crossover cable is used for some specific applications. Okay, so let's now prepare the following materials that we are about to use for this activity. But before we proceed, let's try to check the straight-through cable that we created in our previous video. As you can see, the cable is working. Now that we are about to create a simple network cable, we are not particular about its length because our main goal here is to create a functional network cable. So I'm about to recycle some used network cables for demonstration purposes. In this activity, we're going to create a crossover cable. Based on this cable tester, the network cable is a crossover cable. Now, Let's try swapping the connector into the port. As you can see, the cable is in good condition. Networking cables are used to connect one network device to other network devices, or to connect two or more computers to share printers, scanners, etc. Twisted pair cables are used depending on the network's topology, protocol, and size. In the near future, these cables will be used for the upcoming group of network exercises. See you in the succeeding part of this video. May God bless us and have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe.